In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate and explain how to come up with different keywords or phrases to find information on your topic in library databases. Now, there are a few steps to follow, and there is a handout right next to this video in the course which delineate the steps again after this video, so you have them on hand. It's important to come up with different words to search, as different authors may use different terms in discussing the same thing. The first step is to write down your search question. In this case, is the NFL doing enough in regard to concussions? Secondly, you identify the main concepts or keywords you're going to search to find information on the topic. You can skip the lesser words, is the, doing enough, in regard to. What's really essential to find resources on this topic are the words NFL and concussions. Third, you come up with synonyms. In this case, I thought of the NFL is also referred to as National Football League. I've seen it referred to as professional football. For concussions, I've seen it referred to as traumatic brain injuries, head trauma, CTE, which is an abbreviation for chronic traumatic encephalopathy. Now, databases are different than Google. Google, if you put in NFL, it'll also pull up articles that refer to the National Football League because it knows you mean the same thing. It's looking to find as many sources as possible based on the words you put in. Databases are different. They're looking specifically for the words you put in that search box. So you have to try different combinations, which lead us to step 4. You try searching different combinations of the terms in the database using the word and. NFL and concussions, for example. National Football League and head trauma. Professional football and CTE. And the word and is important to put between keywords or key terms because in some databases, if you don't have the word and, for example, if you just have NFL concussions, some databases will look for them right next to each other in that order. And if they don't find them, they don't bring up anything. So if you separate the words, it'll look for them separately within the text of the record. So let's go ahead and we're going to put our search terms into a database. We're going to do Academic Search Complete, which is our largest database. We're going to try different combinations, and you'll see what I mean, that different combinations will come up with different articles. So Academic Search Complete is under Library Databases. We're going to go Academic Search. We're just going to try different combinations, NFL, and the and is already in the drop-down, so you don't have to add it. NFL and concussions. Let's see what comes up. This database will search articles in magazines, newspaper, and scholarly journals. So we get 554 titles all the way through here. There's a scholarly journal. There's some magazines. Let's try let's try the National Football League and concussions and see what happens. We have 166 articles. And they're different articles. The damage done in Sports Illustrated. Let's try National Football League and CTE. 45 articles. Different. Sometimes you see the same article because they use a combination of words in the article. And let's try it with the formal title, Chronic Traumatic. There, it's providing it for me. I like that. So I don't have to try and spell it. 49 articles. So different words will lead to different articles in a database, and it's a good idea to try different keywords as you're doing your search. And that's pretty much it.